Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. The sleek 4K drone taking off smoothly, showcasing its compact and stylish design. Introducing the 4K drone at an unbeatable price, professional-grade quality without the hefty price tag. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, this drone makes stunning aerial photography accessible to everyone. To save you time and money, we have collected the 5 best 4K drone low price on the market. You can see the product links in the description of the video below. Number 1. The KBDFA 4K drone is a compact, foldable drone designed for seamless portability and performance. Its foldable arms and small size make it easy to carry, while its altitude hold mode ensures stable flight for stunning aerial photography. Equipped with a choice of 1080p or 4K wide-angle cameras, it captures breathtaking high-definition photos and videos. With a Wi-Fi function, you can connect to the app for real-time image transmission and easy control. The headless mode simplifies operation by eliminating the need to adjust the drone's orientation before flying, and the one-key return function ensures it easily finds its way back home. Advanced features include trajectory flight, where you can draw a flight path on your screen for autonomous navigation, and 360 degrees rolling capability for dynamic flying maneuvers. The 6-axis gyro ensures stability, while the 3-level flight speed adds versatility. Made from high-strength, lightweight engineering plastics, the KBDFA 4K drone is durable and designed for an unparalleled flying experience. Number 2. The Xiaomi MIJIA V88 4K drone elevates aerial photography with its cutting-edge features, starting with an 8K/4K high-definition camera that captures breathtaking visuals with precision and clarity. Whether you're shooting landscapes or action shots, the anti-shake dual camera ensures smooth and stable footage, perfect for professional-grade imagery. Fly confidently with the drone's intelligent obstacle avoidance system, which safeguards your device by preventing collisions. Powered by a robust 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, the drone offers an impressive 45 minutes of flight time, enabling extended exploration and creative freedom. The customizable flight path feature, accessible via the app, allows you to design unique routes for a personalized aerial experience, making your adventures more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Xiaomi MIJIA V88 4K drone is the ultimate tool for capturing stunning visuals and pushing the boundaries of creativity. Number 3. The KBDFA New M4 4K drone is a versatile and compact drone designed for high-performance aerial photography and smooth navigation. Featuring optical flow positioning, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a 4-passband gyroscope, this drone ensures precise control and stability during flight. With features like one-click takeoff/landing, 360 degrees rolling maneuvers, and headless mode, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Equipped with a 5G Wi-Fi enabled 4K HD camera, the drone delivers crystal clear images and videos, with real-time transmission directly to your smartphone via the app. Its altitude hold mode further enhances stability for professional-grade shots, while waypoint flight and orbital motion provide creative options for dynamic footage. Compact and foldable, the M4 drone is easy to carry, making it an ideal travel companion. Added features like gesture photography, video recording, and fun music and stickers add a playful touch to your drone adventures. Number 4. The KBDFA 4K drone combines cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features to deliver an exceptional aerial experience. Equipped with a wide-angle 8K high-definition front camera and an optical flow HD lens, the drone offers adjustable camera angles for versatile shooting. The servo gimbal design with ICE electronic image stabilization ensures smooth, crystal-clear visuals. This drone features an altitude fixing mode with optical flow positioning for stable and reliable flight. With a 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, enjoy up to 45 minutes of flight time, perfect for extended sessions. The customizable route feature allows you to plan your flight path directly from the app for creative and personalized exploration. Additional highlights include gesture photography, 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and a brushless motor for powerful, quiet, and long-lasting operation. The compact, lightweight design ensures easy portability and compliance with aviation regulations. Whether for professionals or hobbyists, the KBDFA 4K drone delivers innovation and fun in every flight.
Number 5.
The KBDFA K102 Pro 4K drone combines advanced technology and practical features to deliver a seamless aerial experience. It features a 4K dual camera system with manual 90 degrees adjustment, allowing users to capture stunning, high-resolution images and videos from various angles. The optical flow positioning ensures stable flight for smooth and clear visuals. Powered by a 1503 brushless motor, the drone offers a quiet and efficient performance. It boasts a 3.7 volts 1800 mAh lithium battery for up to 15 minutes of flight time, making it ideal for short, creative sessions. The 2.4G remote control supports a range of up to 500 meters, while the Wi-Fi image transmission ensures real-time visuals up to 100 meters. Designed with portability in mind, the drone weighs only 135 grams, including the battery, and comes with a convenient storage bag. Its USB charging capability and compact design make it a perfect choice for on-the-go enthusiasts. With its sleek look in black or orange, the K102 Pro is an excellent option for both beginners and experienced pilots seeking a reliable and high-performing drone.